Hello! This video officially begins let me grab it, hold on. The official beading of the little dragon babies that go on the front of Rhaenyra's gown. So today, I finally got the rest of my supplies that we'll need from Michael's and Joann's. So let's go through what I've purchased and kind of map out what I'm going to do, because this is actually kind of small compared to what I kind of thought and what a lot of people thought. So we can get started on this beading and embroidery on a really cool piece for Rhaenyra. So let's see what I got. Okay, let's first talk about some embroidery flosses that I got. Now I realize I'm gonna need like 3 different tones of red to kind of work with. So these are what I call the chenille knockoff thread that I needed for covering some of the bigger pieces around, because it's thicker, you can tell, than the satin silk thread. This isn't silk, but it's satin. So I got 3 different tones of this red. It's hard to tell here, but I did. I got some red and black cording that's metallic that I think would be really neat to add in. I also got some more glass beads for red and black that look really nice. And then I got very similar shape, which I think I might use these for the eyes of little dragons on my guys. And then I got a whole bunch of really beautiful gold metal beads. All of the strung beads were half off today at Joann's and Michael's, so I went kind of ham. But look at these things. These are so cool and fun, and the textures are all weird and different. So we're gonna have a good time sewing these down. We're gonna couch some of these threads down. We're gonna get experimental, because the thing is with this piece is that it's hard to tell exactly how it is, because all of the imagery in it it's tough to find. You know, we have screenshots, we have photoshopped images as much as we can. So at one point I'm just gonna have to do what I want. And I think this is gonna be a really fun experimentation of beading and embroidery and gold work and just kind of everything. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this journey on embroidering these little guys. I'm very excited. So let's go and see how I want to map this out. I also got a bunch more stacks of plastic containers to hold all these things in, because I just love putting beads in plastic containers. There's something about the organization that I am just all about. Whew. Okay, we are back to my illustrated version of what I'm going to try to bead. So we're going to start with the dragon heads first and then do this piece all the way down here. I'm going to have these pieces raised up a little bit. The majority of the head is going to be a lot of embroidery floss. So he's going to look pretty satiny, but I'm going to sprinkle in some bright beads as well. And then we'll move on to the center and the outer pieces. So join me along. Here we go.